Hi, Babette. Happy birthday. Uh, you know I'm always here for you, and I will never forget you as my cousin and my very best friend. And I will always love you, and I will never forget this day all the time, March 19, because I know this is your birthday. And here's your inaanak. This is Haji. He'd like to greet you too.
Hi, happy birthday. Even though I didn't meet you yet, I would like to meet you. Happy birthday again.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Oh, Auntie
Ninang.
Ninang Mabet.
Ninang Babette. Say it again, Haji.
Ninang Mabet.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, say happy birthday. Sorry, hello, Mami La and Daddy Lo.
Hello, Mommy, Dad, and Helen. Oh, what?
Daddy Lo and Mami La.
Mommy La.
Yeah, okay. Happy birthday, Bet. There's your naanak. Malaki na siya, no? He's so big already. I just picked him up from school. And it's a good thing that, you know what, he was able to talk a lot to greet you. Because normally when I ask him to greet other people, he would only say, happy birthday, thank you, that's it. At least now he actually expressed his desire to see you. And I really wish too that, you know, we will see each other in the very near future. Kasi tagal na natin hindi nakikita. I think it's almost like 10 years already or 5 years. I'm not sure. But then again, I'm so eager to see you again. And kumusta na kina Ninang at kina Ninong, kay Ate Bes, Kuya Mon and the kids, kay Kaloy, kay Rina and the kids, and to Arthur. Hi in-law, brother-in-law, or cousin-in-law for that matter. And here's my son. When I went there during your wedding, that I didn't have anybody yet, but now I have like a grown up, like a 13-year-old kid. Okay, so happy birthday, Babette. I love you so much. Diana Malig Arthurs. Oh, what's that? Diana Malig Roberts. Ano ba apelyido mo? Diana Malig Arthur. Aywan ko. Basta titignan ko na lang sa Facebook. I love you. I love you, Cass. I love you so much, and I hope you will enjoy the night. I believe it's already 5 o'clock there. Oh, no. What time is it, Haji? Yeah, it's 6 o'clock there. So paint the town red, and then leave a paint for me. And I love you. Okay, love you. Kumusta lang sa lahat. Happy birthday. Bye.